Now, when I remember doing this before, I did it with one of these. However, I was messing around with it for hours, and I had actually been using things like this as well. And this one has a little bit of a bend in it, and it's because I was working on this car. And so maybe we'll try this thing out instead of that fishing line, and see if that'll do a little bit better. It's supposed to take hours. I mean, legitimately. I mean, I'm hitting something. See, I'm getting it at the wrong angle. With this guy, I think. Just like he needs to be bent a little bit more. Which is wonderful for the poor screwdriver, but we gotta do what we gotta do. See, I'm hitting something, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be hitting something quite yet. Oh. Oh, hey. Yes! Sir. Yes, sir.